Hey, hey, in the beginning, can I just scream wah 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 wah?
What?
I want to scream wah 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 in the beginning of the recording.
No, I'm recording right now, right?
Oh, oh. Well, in that case, wah wah wah. Let's get some gunfight on my hill. A Valley, Bill Clinton, McClintock, Operation Hill, mission gunfight, Operation Mega Faggot. Let's go.
Operation Mega Faggot is a go. Fuck you.
Fuck you. I put my gun up his asshole and pulled trigger.
Oh yeah, did you notice that the guns change skins now? I noticed that. They both left.
Wait, are you serious? Oh hey, come here. You want to see some really cool trick I learned?
Yeah, I want to see a cool trick. Alright, yeah, you want to see a real cool trick?
Abracadabra, Alakazam.
Oh, you
Wait,
respawned,
what?
damn it.
Wait, what? Oh shit! I just noticed that respawn. I thought I was looking at you.
Well, that was a nice first game.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I almost got the new Assassinate. Hopefully, I can get the new Assassinate in like the next few games, or like this game, and then equip it for next game.
Hey, have you noticed that we're supposed to be like level 100, but supposedly now we're level rank 73?
No, what are you talking about? It resets
I was
us to level 55.
What?
It resets every season. How do you not know this?
Are you serious?
Yeah, your level resets back to 55.
That is so stupid.
No, it's not. It makes the game so... It makes it seem like you have to play the game when in reality you don't, but it also makes the game fun, because, like, XP.
If I was the guy that was level 155, I'll be just pissed straight up. He's on the left side, camping. You've seen him.
And I almost burnt his ass.
Dude, are you like some kind of firefighter?
Firefighter? What the hell's a firefighter?
Instead of being a firefighter, you're more like a firefighter. It's like the opposite.
Well, I mean, a fire murder would make more sense, but you know.
Well,
well, I'll tell you something now. I'm about to get a murder soon.
A murder is a flock of crows.
That's pretty flocky of you. That was a horrible joke.
I'm a
You
goat.
just can't. Actually, don't joke about goats. That's literally part of my
I
life.
was shooting my gun. It was my gun.
You're like the autistic version of SpongeBob.
My gun makes goat noises. Yes! Take my...
Outstanding. I expect nothing less.
You fucking asshole!
I thought you killed him already, and then I went to go throw it for the ending.
Thanks! Thanks, Fertile, thanks!
I went to go throw the C4 for the ending of your assassination.
I got the assassinate. You ready for this?
Oh man.
How did you get the really cool effect on your guys player? You know what I'm talking about.
What, the fact that I'm glowing? Wait, do you have this season's battle pass?
No.
Oh. Well,
hey, guess what? We're in a match with your mom and your stepsister.
Oh, that's nice. Fertile, we're gonna see if we can get me the new Assassinate, okay?
I am sorry that I might have completely shreked your mojo.
What? Well, I went and got a popsicle to calm me down.
Or just stick it.
Nowhere, what the fuck?
Oh. I usually stick it in my...
Fucking weirdo.
Never mind. Okay, you know I've never seen you ever do a video with a face cam?
Well, I have.
Like a gaming video with a face cam.
Yeah, I have. Multiple times.
How long
Back
ago
in
was
my
that?
early days of YouTube.
Yeah.
When I was like 12 years old and saying, "What's up, guys?" Back when I sounded like I was freaking 5 years old. Oh!
They're both on my side!
That was absolutely ridiculous.
Dude, I never stopped shooting. You know, I never got an
We're
assassination
going up against
ever.
a demon. Great.
I
And a guy
don't
that's
know.
level 102!
Hey, I don't know how to. What button do you click to assassinate someone?
Literally hold down melee. Are you stupid?
That's how you do it?
Duh.
I've never known that. I've been playing this game since it came
I've literally told you like 3 times.
out. Shut up, Shrek. He's all the way in our spawn. What
Yes!
the? I distracted him the entire time for you,
Look.
by the way. Hope you know
No,
that.
I didn't. I just threw a stun and got him. Take it!
Louis.
My bird is gonna chop off your ass. Ooh, it's gold. By the
Yeah.
way, that king was perfect timing for whoever did it.
That was my brother watching TikTok.
Stupid. Ooh,
I just seen his
fell.
body just. I just seen his body fall.
He almost completely disappeared.
No, he's still by the water tower.
God damn. Really? Oh my god, I tried to do an assassinate, and then a random thing exploded.